To enable AutoPlay on Disney+, start by launching the Disney Plus application and ensuring it's up to date. Log in to your account, and at the bottom of the screen, tap on the profile icon. From there, select Edit Profiles and choose your profile. In the settings, you will find the AutoPlay option. Simply toggle the button to enable AutoPlay, which allows the next video in a series to play automatically. If you wish to disable AutoPlay in the future, return to Edit Profiles, select your profile, and toggle the AutoPlay option back to the left to turn it off, stopping automatic playback of the next video. If you encounter any difficulties with this process, check your Wi-Fi connection first, ensure the app is updated, and consider clearing the application's cache to resolve potential bugs or glitches. This process should help you manage AutoPlay on Disney Plus effectively.